Hi, I'm Deb, your Get Set Up guide. Are you drawn to warming comfort foods this time of year? I am. There's nothing I like better than a simmering kettle of soup on the stove or a chicken roasting in the oven. They don't take a lot of my time to prepare. The stove and the oven do all the work, but they do yield big results. Well worth my patience with their cooking time. The aroma fills the house. I love that. And the quantity can easily be shared or frozen or eaten a few times in the week, either as is or repurposed as a new meal. I also like those quick meals I can whip together on the spur of the moment that don't take too long to cook. In this session, I'll share some of both and give you some time saving tips for how to prepare these meals for eating now and later. I hope you'll join me for winter meals in 30 minutes or less and be part of our lifelong learning community here at Get Set Up.